Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Upskill channel. This is the sixth video in our WordPress automation series using Fluent CRM. If you're just joining us, make sure to check out the full playlist. It includes all the related videos to help you catch up and get the most out of this course. Now, imagine this. A potential client visits your website, gets a price estimate within seconds, receives a follow-up email with a quote summary, and even gets a reminder the next day if they didn't book, all fully automated with no coding required. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build that. A smart quote system for your cleaning or service business using WordPress, Fluent Forms, and Fluent CRM. Let's get started. Now let's begin building the form. First, head to Fluent Forms and create a new form by selecting New Form and then choosing Blank Form. I'll start by adding fields for the name and email address, making the email field required. Next, I'll add a field for square meters and also set it as required. After that, I'll add an address field, followed by a number field that will be used for the price calculation. In the number field settings, I'll go to the advanced options and enable the calculation feature. For the formula, I'll set it to multiply the square meters by 20. Then, I'll rename the form to Cleaning Place. Let's test it out. I'll enter 50 in the square meter field, and just like that, the calculated price shows 1,000. It works like a charm. Now I'll hide the price field. To do that, go to the advanced options of the number field, find the container class setting, and type ff-hidden. Then, save the form. Next, head over to the Settings and Integrations tab to set up the email notification. Under Confirmation Settings, I'll update the confirmation message to say, "Thank you for your message. Check your email for the price." Then go to Email Notifications and click Add Notification. I'll name it New Notification to User. In the From Email field, I'll use a shortcode to pull the user's email address. I'll also set the subject line to something like, "Here's your quote." For the email body, I'll use ChatGPT to help generate the content. I'll adjust the smart codes, short codes, to match the fields from the form, and at the end of the email, I'll include a booking button to encourage the user to take the next step. Now let's build the landing page. First, I'll copy the shortcode of the form we created earlier, then use it to build a simple landing page. After testing it, I can confirm that the email notification works well and includes the price as expected. Next, I'll build a second form for booking a cleaning time. I'll name this form Cleaning Book. It will include fields for name, email address, phone number, address, and a date and time picker. After saving the form, I'll create a new landing page specifically for the booking process. Once the booking landing page is ready, I'll go back to the settings of the first form and update the booking button so that when users click it, they're redirected to the booking time page. Finally, I'll configure the settings and integrations for the booking form. In the confirmation settings, I'll write, "Thank you for your message. We will confirm your booking within 24 hours." Now let's set up the reminder automation. First, I'll open Fluent CRM and go to the Automation section. I'll create a new automation from scratch and give it a name. Next, I'll choose Fluent Forms as the trigger and select New Form Submission. From there, I'll pick the first form we created, the one used to generate the cleaning price. I'll map the submitted data to the appropriate fields, such as first name and email, then save this initial step. After that, I'll add a new step to apply the user to a list, which I'll name Cleaning Company. Then I'll assign two tags, one called Booked and another called Not Booked. The next step is to add a wait action in the automation. I'll set it to wait for 1 day and save the settings. After that, I'll insert a condition step to check whether the contact has the Not Booked tag. Once that's set, I'll move to the Yes branch of the condition and add a custom email that will act as a reminder. I'll write the email content and save it. To complete the automation, I'll add an End This Funnel step as the final action. So the logic works like this. The system waits for 1 day, checks if the contact has the Not Booked tag, and if they do, it sends them a reminder email. If they've already booked and don't have the tag, it won't send anything. For testing purposes, I'll change the wait time from 1 day to 2 minutes so I can verify that everything works correctly. Now let's go back to Fluent CRM and create a new automation. I'll name this one Remove Book Tag. I'll set the trigger to form submission and select the cleaning booking form. I'll match the name and email fields to the contact data, then save the trigger settings. In the next step, I'll add an action to remove the Not Booked tag from the contact. Once that's done, I'll add an End This Funnel step to complete the automation. What this automation does is simple. Whenever a contact submits the booking form, meaning they've booked a time, it automatically removes the Not Booked tag from their profile. Now let's test the full process. I'll fill in the name, email address, and square meter fields. As expected, I received the first email with the price. After waiting a little while, the reminder email also arrived, and it includes a booking button, just like we set it up. I'm happy to say we have successfully built the system to meet our requirements. It calculates the price, sends an email with the quote and booking option, and if the user doesn't book a time, it automatically sends a reminder after 24 hours. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. In the next video, we'll be tackling a more advanced project, so stay tuned. If you have a project you'd like help with, feel free to email me or leave a comment below. I'm always happy to assist or even create a tutorial to guide you through it. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.